If you're over 50 and struggling with presbyopia or cataracts, our advanced intraocular lens surgery or IOL surgery can restore your vision, allowing you to see clearly at all distances again. IOL surgery is a quick, 10-minute, and completely painless procedure. Utilizing cutting-edge robotic microsurgery, it's laser-assisted and guided by artificial intelligence. We employ the latest intraocular lens technology to ensure optimal vision restoration. At CODET, we enhance surgical precision with state-of-the-art tools, like the Heidelberg Anterion OCT for accurate lens calculations, and the Ziemer Femto LDVZ8 Femtosecond laser for improved outcomes and safety. With over 20,000 IOL surgeries and more than 50,000 refractive procedures performed to date, CODET Vision Institute is a global leader in presbyopia correction. Join the millions worldwide who have transformed their vision with IOL surgery. Don't let vision issues hold you back. Contact us today to schedule your consultation and take the first step towards seeing the world clearly again.